This is a feature that we see over here on the right-hand side. When somebody asks a question inside of Slack, Guru can be your first line of defense and will automatically respond to that question using not only one Guru card, but could be several Guru cards as a source. It could be other sources that you have connected to that Guru knowledge agent that's hooked up to that channel. So any content could be used to produce a suggested answer like we see here. So instead of just getting a card and then I have to open up that card and find the actual answer to my question within that card, this is really great because it's going to look across the cards, look across your various sources, and just give you that suggested answer right there within Slack. So definitely set this up in channels where people are going to ask a lot of questions already. It requires no behavior change from them, right? That's what's really nice about it, is that they can just go into Slack and still ask questions in that channel that they were already asking questions in. But now Guru is going to be that first line of defense, which can be really helpful for driving Guru adoption. People will get more awareness of Guru, learn to trust Guru. It saves your experts time from having to answer those repeat questions. Saves the question asker time because they don't have to wait around for an answer. It's going to instantly respond. But of course, like anything with involving knowledge, you want to make sure that your knowledge is actually good. Make sure that you've curated your sources and that the sources that connect to this knowledge agent that is responding to the questions here. Make sure that that information is just trustworthy and good content, because it's only going to be able to give as good a response as the information that's going into it. When you set this up, you can do so via our knowledge agents feature. And that's really nice because you can customize the types of responses and what sources they look at. Maybe you have a channel that's designated for new hires to go to ask questions. And so you've got a knowledge agent that's set up to just look at resources that are going to be relevant for new hires, and is going to respond in maybe shorter answers or maybe bulleted answers, and is going to be more friendly and jovial and conversational in tone than something like a help IT or help people ops bot might be. So consider all those things for your knowledge agent to customize the types of response that people get.